Last year, OnePlus launched a lot of Nord series phones such as the OnePlus Nord 2T, Nord CE2, CE2 Lite, N20, N20 SE and the N300. But still, one phone that the company did not launch last year was the successor of the OnePlus Nord 2 of 2021. The OnePlus Nord 2 was the most expensive phone under the Nord series when it was launched in 2021 and had a Dimensity 1200 chipset paired with a 90Hz AMOLED display, Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back, 65W fast charging, and also an alert slider. Well, this year we are getting the successor, that is the OnePlus Nord 3. And now the full specifications of the phone have leaked online. So in this video, let us talk about the OnePlus Nord 3. The Nord 3 will feature a flagship MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, which is comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in terms of performance. This would be a massive upgrade over the Dimensity 1200 that the OnePlus Nord 2 had. The Nord 3 will be offered with up to 16GB RAM and 256GB storage. There will be a large 6.72-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The battery size will be 5000 mAh and the phone will feature 80W fast charging. As for the cameras, the OnePlus Nord 3 will have a pretty familiar set of cameras on the back. So there will be a 50MP primary shooter, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro camera. For selfies, it will have a 16MP sensor on the front. And last but not least, the OnePlus Nord 3 will also have an alert slider, which we missed on a lot of OnePlus phones last year. Well, a high-end flagship chipset in a Nord series phone sounds weird. And it also means that the price will be higher than other Nord series phones. There are also rumors that OnePlus Nord 3 could be the same phone as the upcoming OnePlus Ace 2 Dimensity Edition, which will launch in the Chinese market next month. Well, whatever the case is, OnePlus is looking like a completely different brand this year when compared to last year. The company launched its OnePlus 11 at quite an aggressive price, and in the Indian market, the OnePlus 11R launched as the cheapest phone with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Both these phones also had an alert slider, which was removed from a lot of OnePlus phones last year. So what are your expectations from the OnePlus Nord 3? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.